Hello, today we will guide you through how to bold text in KoboToolbox. If you want to make text stand out in your KoboToolbox form, the good news is that it's very simple. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to bold text by editing the field name directly. This is a quick formatting trick that can help make labels, prompts, or important wording easier for respondents to notice. To begin, open your form in KoboToolbox. You'll want to be on the form editing page for the project where you want to update the text. Once you're there, look for the sample field or text label you want to format. This is the area where the visible wording for that question or item appears inside the form builder. Next, click on the sample name. This places your cursor in the text so you can edit it. If you're following along in a form with multiple questions, make sure you're selecting the exact label you want to change. Since bold formatting affects the text surrounded by special characters, it's helpful to confirm you're editing the correct field before typing anything. Now enter 2 asterisks at the beginning of the text and 2 asterisks at the end. In other words, place a double asterisk before the word or phrase you want to bold and another double asterisk after it. This tells KoboToolbox to display that text in bold formatting. Be careful not to leave spaces between the asterisks and the text unless that's part of the formatting you want. Keeping the symbols tight around the text usually gives the clearest result. As you make the change, take a moment to review what you typed. If the bold formatting doesn't appear as expected later, the most common reason is that one of the asterisks is missing, misplaced, or unevenly paired. Using exactly 2 at the start and 2 at the end is important. That's all it takes to bold text in KoboToolbox. It's a small change, but it can make your forms clearer and more professional, especially when you want to emphasize instructions or key labels. Once you've updated the text, you can continue editing the rest of your form as needed. Thanks for following along, and that's how to bold text in KoboToolbox.